Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to close multiple open apps all at once in iPhone or iPad. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone device. So firstly let me open a multiple application. So I have opened a multiple application. So let me open the recent apps. So you can see here there are tons of open apps, right? So you can see here 1 2 3 4, so there are total 4. So most probably what we used to do, we used to swipe up one by one in order to close multiple open apps, but that's not all at once, so we need to do one by one, right? So for this, in order to delete multiple open apps, what you need to do is say I want to delete all these 4 open apps all at once. What I will do is just tap and hold. So I have selected 1, say, and I'll select 2, 3, so 4, and just swipe up. Now all the open apps are closed all at once. So let me make you confirm. So you can see there are no any open apps anymore. So you can try again once more. So let me show you. So here I have opened 3 different programs. So just tap and hold on all the 3 open apps and just swipe up. So you can see here. So by this tricks, you can easily close multiple open apps all at once in iPhone or iPad very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.